Happy St. Patrick's Day from the Guinness Storehouse. I'm Colin and I'm one of the beer specialists here at St. James's Gate. Founded by Arthur Guinness, one of the original beer innovators, St. James's Gate is the home of the black stuff. In 1759, Arthur Guinness signed a 9,000-year lease on the site, lighting the flame for what was to become the largest stout brewery in the world. I'm joining you from the Guinness Storehouse right now, where we bring to life the history, heart and soul of Ireland's most iconic beer. Guinness lovers from across the globe are welcomed to explore this 7-story treasure trove as the magic of Guinness unfolds before them. The home of Guinness provides a behind-the-scenes look at the craft of brewing a perfect pint of the black stuff, an exhibition and cinema room dedicated to vintage Guinness advertising, and the chance to enjoy a pint in the Gravity Bar while enjoying Dublin's best view. I know a lot of you will be looking forward to cracking open a can of Guinness Draft Stout on St. Patrick's Day. It's certainly our favourite day of the year. In actual fact, in 2019, we had our busiest day ever on March the 16th, where we welcomed over 10,000 people, and our expert beer team served a whopping 28,000 pints over those 4 days. I'm often asked if Guinness Draft in the can is the same as the Guinness I order in my local or here at the Gravity Bar in Dublin. And the truth is, it is the very same. All our Guinness Draft is brewed at St. James's Gate, right beside the Guinness Storehouse, where it is either kegged or put into a can. The secret to Guinness's rich and creamy flavour and smooth and velvety texture is nitrogenation, that pairing of nitrogen and carbon dioxide to create a perfectly balanced stout. And this is the world famous Guinness widget, which looks like a little white ball, and in actual fact it's a nitrogen filled capsule. And when you open the can, you'll hear the hiss of that nitrogen. You pour, which creates the surge, the settle, and ultimately the creamy white head on a pint of Guinness. While the 2-part pour is a pub ritual that is well known and practiced regularly here at the Guinness Storehouse, but how does the pour play out from the can? How do you achieve that creamy head and iconic surge? Well, I'd recommend chilling Guinness for at least 3 hours before enjoying. Warm beer affects the head and the flavour. But be careful, if it is too cold, that will also affect the head. So I open it, you hear the hiss, that's the nitrogen working its magic. The bubbles surge when the can is opened, creating perfectly smooth beer that is unmistakably Guinness. Poured into a clean glass in one go from start to finish at a 45-degree angle. If you don't have a pint glass at home, we find that glasses with a tulip shape that curve just out and in, or slightly tapered tumblers work well. Sit back and watch the magical surge and settle. And for my favourite bit, enjoy. So from all the team at the Guinness Storehouse, happy St. Patrick's Day, and we hope to welcome you again soon. Slán.